Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and I hope you watched yesterday's video, otherwise you're going to be really confused about why we're starting looking like this. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I highly recommend that at the end of this video you hit the last video showing up in the end picture and go and check it out. It was fun. Super ooper duper fun, in fact. Well, it was fun for me. I hope you guys liked it. Alright, so putting a new canvas down. And this time I'm gonna just clean up some of the mess I made when I dropped paint all over the place. There's basically no red left. That's definitely all over the place. There is a little bit of orange. There's a little bit of turquoise. They've both got silicone in them. There's even a little bit of copper left. Let's use that up. And what else? Let's just go for gold. And Payne's grey. I'm just going to pour them all into a cup, or one of the tins actually, and just see what comes out onto the canvas as it spins. So I'm going to use this turquoise tin, and can you tell I'm making this up as I go along? Some of you are so OCD that freaks you out. Others of you are like, yay, freedom! Freedom, Las Vegas. Let's get that in there. Let's get some of this in there now. Let's get some of the copper in there. If I might need a scrape stick for that one. Do you think we've got enough paint to do this? I'm not sure. We might have to do that start with Payne's grey thing again. Put a whole heap of gold in there. I put my Payne's grey brush. So that is very watery. But that's okay. We can always clean that up later. You know what? Right now I just want to have fun moment in time. Use up some of this paint and see what else is possible. So let's get our walls built again, and let's get started. Okay, so now we've got our walls up, and we've got our pot of possibilities. I am going to start us off and let's get started. Oop, it's running away on me. we haven't quite made it all the way out. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more gold to my tin. And then we can have some multicolored gold. Ah! Box is falling to pieces. This box is trying to upstage me. That's why I've got paint all over my feet. Damien's just got home from school. Hey, Damien!
Hello.
Okay, let's get some more colour going. Okay. Just gonna let it drip, 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 drip some more colour. Oh look, it still hasn't done it. Oh, that's annoying. A bit better. Just gonna tap out the corners. Just to get the sides all covered. I do like that gold. It's doing funky stuff. Alright, I think this one will dry different than what it looks now. I'm quite intrigued to see what happens when this one dries actually. So let's just running out of gas. So there's definitely silicone coming up, I can see it, but it's just not coming up through layers and layers of paint, so because it's so thin on there. You know what I've been wanting to do for a while, and I think this one might be a goodie for it. Let me just get prepped for that. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to move you over a little bit. This is a spray bottle. I can hear you all going, what's she doing now? I'm being an idiot. But this is something that popped into my head at some stage. I'm not overly fussed with this painting, alright? As it is right now, I'm not excited about it. Someone out there's going, I love it, I want it. And I'm going, yeah. So I'm just going to put a little bit of white. Now you all may or may not have seen me do my cloud experiment the other day. That was fun. What I'm going to do now is really thin this white down quite a lot so that the spray bottle can cope with it. So that was Floetrol. So I haven't got a lot in there, but enough. And I think it might work. This is one of those really good spray bottles that goes right down to the corner. So if I pump a little bit, oh look. Now, I want it on, oh, it is on spray. That's spray. Ah, that's scary. Not sure this is actually going to work. Okay, let's give it a go. Nope, not quite what I had in mind. Okay. Quite like that. It's got a lot of air bubbles. A lot of air bubbles, check this out. But it's quite cool. Come on, baby. Baby, won't you light my fire? So what I'd kind of hoped to be able to do was do a fine mist all the way over it, kind of like a swipe, and have all that silicone pop back up again. Didn't quite work. Rather a harsh spray gun, if I might say so myself. But there's some interesting stuff happening in this. Oh, funny, funny, funny. Oh. Somebody said to me, what if somebody decided your paint was worth a lot and then they actually found the video of you making it? Said they'd pay more. Because they'd get how much joy was embedded in my paintings. And I actually really like that. It makes me think of a big splash, like, you know, if you were watching somebody dive bombing into a pool. You got the glinting of the water and stuff, but you got the big foam, and I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me zoom you in. Center 'em. Right here, I'm seeing some sort of animal, maybe a dog. There's his tongue with his little teeth, nose in the air, and his eye coming down to his neck. Anybody else see it? If not, that's okay. Because I like it. I like it a lot. Let me... I'm not sure what I'm saying. Let me do what? I don't know. I like it. Do you guys ever get that? When you get to a point where you just go, yeah. Now, to me, everything about this painting is wrong. Where's my one that's got gas in it? Everything about it is wrong. Everything. And yet, it's so cool. I love it. So let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll be... Do you need to see it closer? I don't think so. It's quite funky. I think it's cool. I do. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it at that, and I will be back to show you the end result in 3, 2, 1. Alright, it dried almost exactly as it was. Sometimes I feel surprised that it doesn't, and it's because so many of you have problems with the paint moving while it's drying, and I don't tend to have that. I just think this is very funky, very cool, and I really like it. I love the way the gold has really stood out, just like in the other spin. It's really stood out. Really cool. Really like it. Really like it a lot. So, there we go. How's it get any better than that? I have really enjoyed bringing you this one. It was definitely a playtime for me, and experiment. See what else works. Keep playing until something pops out and goes, hello, I like it. Yay. And oh look, there's some copper. I can just... Alright. There we go. How cool is that? I am very happy. So, what else is possible? What else can we create? How much more fun can we have? And what grand and glorious adventures can June invite us to? What have you been willing to try? That June is the day of possibilities. When I sent out my email to my Access You mailing list, I called it Joyful June. And that's what I'm choosing. What are you choosing? What else is possible, guys, that you haven't even imagined? And where are you stuck in something, believing you're in quicksand, when actually there's a way out? What else is possible? I adore you. Have fun, and I will see you again super soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.